Welcome at the ProLight and Sound 2016 in Frankfurt. We are here at a DJ booth. I'm Frank and I'm presenting you the new Crazy Pocket 8. The Crazy Pocket 8 is the small brother of the Crazy 8. With one difference, it has RGB amber LEDs, so 2 red, 2 green, 2 blue and 2 amber LEDs. It has separate tilts and a pan control. So this is like a moving head out of the Onyx. So it's very suitable for smaller clubs, bars, and of course the DJs. More information at our website at americandj.eu or adj.com.